This will be called Tao Books 2. Now, what I did first was to tell you about some of the books that we will be using. Now, the first book we're going to use is one done by Bradford Hatcher. He's done books on the I Ching, or Book of Changes, and the Tao Te Ching. This is a look at Hatcher's book. And his book has, first of all, his own translation of all of the chapters in the book. So the first thing he does when you see in here is he will have his own translation of each one. Now, of course, this is the very first one that you see here. So that is his translation. But then what he does later is this. As I say, many of them do the same thing. I'm going to find an example of this. Let's say you go to the first one, which is number 1. Now, what he will do next is in this section here, he will take every single word that is used in that very first one, which he translates, and he will show you what that word means. Now, for example, at the very beginning, let's just give you a tiny sample here. Okay, in one it says, a path fit for travel. All right, that's the way he begins the first of the Tao Te Ching sections. A path fit for travel. Now, what does he say about it? First, is the way, path, road, course, tracks, truth, fit, suited for inviting that which could be traveled, fair, fairling, taken, spoken, discussed. Okay, there you go. You've got all the words with all their meaning just for that one single verse.